Hello everyone. In this program, I will show a simulation of charging station system, and it will include classes for data exchange, charging station management, and log handling. And then I will show that how user can book different time slots and can see the energy sources and select by simulation and taking data and saving data into the log files. So first of all, I have created a class user because we need two types of user, that is external user and another one is admin user. So I have passed through the constructor these two variables and saved it. Later I will go to charging station. Here I in the constructor I have passed through the station ID and also booked user, booked slots, and then queue, and also save the available energy sources predefinedly. And then here in the save state to file, here I will write the station ID and also write the available time slots here, and then it will write the booked users and for the book external users and also for the admin users. And then if any errors occur, then it will throw a message. Then it will load state from file. It will load the state of the charging station from a file user the character streams. By splitting by comma, and then it will available time slots, then booked slots, and then it will save all of them, and then charging station state loaded from file, and any error occurs during operation, then it will throw an error message. And then this book time slot that here this is there is check at first check. I have checked that there is an empty time slot or not. Then if there are some available time slots, then user it will ask user, do you want to confirm this booking or not? Then if user click on yes, then this slots will be booked for the users, and later it will display some available energy resources, and user can select and can see that which type of energy resource they are using. And then if user clicks on no, then it will be cancelled, the booking will be cancelled, and any invalid input, it will be invalid input, booking cancelled. Later, this display available energy source, it will show some available energy sources from the system, and then this get time range, it passed the variable time slot, and then taking the hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. within the 30 minutes interval with for 24 hours format. And then this show available times, it will show some available times for of this system. And then prioritize queue, this is for the admin, that admin is already in the queue, and you have I have moved them to the front because admin cannot be in the list. So it's so if in the list, then it will move to the front end, and if it's not the list, then it is not in the queue. And then get current time, it will get the current time with this format, and then get source of the available energy sources, it will return this resource or no. And then time slot, it will just show some time slot with this format. And then log manager, here I have taken three type of log managers, that is system log and the station log and the energy log. And then I have created created log method. There the log will be created, and if any error, it will show message. And then move log, this is the purpose of this move log is to move the log from one file to another file. So first it will check that any source file exists or not, and then if it does exist, then it will move, otherwise it will show a message. And then after a successful operation, it will show this message, log file moved successfully. And if any error while moving file, then it will show this message with the exception. And then this is the delete log, and if check if the file exists before attempting to delete or not, then but before deleting, while the system will find the delete file, then it will archive first before deleting. And this is the archive log method. It will archive, check if the archive directory exists or not. If there is no directory like that, then it will create on and then move from current to the destination log file. And this is for the deleting error. It will handle some exception with exception and then throw messages. And this is the archive log error, and then it will show some message and then save station log file. It will save the station log file, and this is the purpose of this method is to load the station log file. And then it will log energy sources, that it will book the time slot. I mean, according to the time slot, the user will be able to see the energy source, and then this will be the energy source will be loaded for that user. And this is the current time. It will take the current time. And this is data exchange simulation. Here use a sample for simulation, and then this byte system, byte stream example, and this character stream example will write the file into a file, write text into a file and edit it back. Now, if we run the main method, if we run the main method, that we can see that this byte stream and then character stream, and we can read that, and this is the available time slots right now. If we select 2, then I want to confirm this, and then I can also select log energy resources, and the log filter successfully. So if we go now in the system log, we can see that this is the current time system updated. And this is the station time that I have used, and this is the I have booked, and then this is the energy log that the system have made selection wind. So that's all, and thank you for your attention.